Show me your clocks, and me tell you who you are. The person I wear it with them socks here. 9 times out of 10, him jeans look something like this. The brother you most likely a bleach, and him most likely to kill you. Normally the brother I don't care if it clean or the cheese lean. The brother are the biggest waste man. The youth are the informer in every class. 9 times out of 10 your auntie send this from England because you now go buy it yourself. The youth are normally the teacher's pet and him always a try fit in. The brother you only listen to Chronics and Protege. The brother you ready to take the Rasta thing serious. The brother you normally short and want to bring up him height. The brother here normally wear some big clothes and some barefoot pants. The brother here don't use me, only I. The brother here walk like zombie. The brother here have a toothbrush in his back pocket. The brother here normally in the wrong size clocks. The brother here normally have face soap in his bag.